Two words, dodge the bullet, bite the bullet. Completely different meaning. You almost missed your flight, but you made it 1 minute to spare. You dodged the bullet. I love this example. You almost dated someone, and it turned out that person was such a bad person. You dodged the bullet. Dodge, avoid, escape, bullet, moving fast. A bullet is moving fast. So when you dodge a bullet, you barely escape it, you barely avoid it, but you do. Bite the bullet. Same word, different meaning. Bite the bullet has a very long and interesting history behind, but today it means to do something and finish, of course, something very unpleasant and difficult. Example, get over it. She bit the bullet and went to see a dentist. So she was afraid of visiting a dentist, but she bite the bullet. Bit the bullet and went there. Differences. Let's go with this one. To dodge a bullet means to escape it. To bite the bullet means to face it. So don't be a coward. Bite the bullet and face it. Both, dodge the bullet and bite it, are used every day. That's real English. I have been avoiding that difficult conversation, but finally I did it. So I bite the bullet. My interview for tomorrow was cancelled. I didn't want to go, and I didn't want to get involved with that company. I have heard it's the worst ever. So I dodged the bullet. I like this. Dodge a bullet is you've got lucky. Bit a bullet, you were brave. Dodge a bullet is that feeling of relief. So dodge a bullet, feeling of relief. We can say like this too. Dodge the bullet, you were lucky. And bit the bullet, you did it anyway.